Hello again, this is Jerry from York River Cannabis, and today we're going to be rolling out weed mat. So in the past, for my vegetable garden, I have bought the weed mat from Lowe's or Home Depot, and I've rolled it out, and within 3 months the weeds are growing right through it. So I did some research for this hemp grow and found that woven ground cover is the best. So I went ahead and ordered this on Amazon, and I can provide a link if people want. This is the company, DeWitt Sunbelt woven ground cover. This is 4 foot wide, and it's so strong that you really should use a butane torch or propane torch to cut it, because if you just cut it with a knife or scissors, it'll unweave. So it's more like a tarp, a permeable tarp. So we're going to lay that out today, and you're going to need these, just some landscape staples, and yeah, so we're going to roll it out and set up the garden. Okay, so step one is roll out the mat. So to your desired length. I started at that end and went all the way down to here. And now I'll give a demonstration on how to cut. Okay, so now we're going to cut the woven weed mat, and you're just going to come down like that. The mat has been cut. Some technical difficulties with the Walmart torch, but you know, ultimately it does the job. I might have run into some issues cutting holes for the plants, but so that's the completed cutted edge, and from my understanding this is reusable, so hopefully this is a one-time purchase for the next 3 years. But we're gonna go put it on the mound like we did the other one, and I'll show you how to staple it in. Okay, so we've nailed down the first tarp, and I'm gonna call it a tarp from here on out. It's weed mat, but it feels and looks like a tarp. So I went about every 2 to 3 feet with the landscape spikes, and I put 3 on the end. I may put more on the ends just because of, you know, where the lawnmower is. That's where the wind's probably going to catch them. But it's really easy, and I'll show you how to do it. So what I'm doing is grabbing one of these, and I am putting it into the ground and just taking the hammer right in, and that's it. And you do that on both sides all the way down to the other end. So we're done installing the mats, and I gotta say, I usually don't tout a product until it proves itself, but this is pretty amazing stuff. I mean, it looks real durable. We'll see how it does with water, but we're putting in an irrigation system anyway, so even if it's not that permeable, it's gonna keep the weeds down. Very impressed. I don't know why I didn't discover this stuff sooner. So that's my review on it. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at York River Cannabis, and thank you for watching.